paro mosenindo okil kamaloka Pheroze Norwojee kagipare kaka okil manoketo e opara manyime kedo ne ratiro mag oganda e pacho ka. Nyasino noyuore kod jotelo mag siasa, jokedo ne ratich oganda, jopuonjre kaachiel kod okinde. Pheroze opar kaluwore kod lai mare makare matije manochwalo. Bende ibipare gi kedo ne ratich oganda e doho chakre telo ma jatend piny mar ariyo mosenindo Daniel Arap Moi.
I would like to mention very respectfully that the judiciary of the Republic of Kenya has stand up in a big way. It demonstrates the love the judiciary had for Mr. Pheroze Norwojee.
Let us also recognize that we are not just mourning a man, we are celebrating a movement led by a man who believed that this country could always be better, more just, more compassionate, a man who never gave up on Kenya. Fare thee well, learned friends. You have run your race with dignity. Kenya is better because you lived. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you.